So these are the new features we are going to discuss about Sledger 2021. Now we have added many features in this software for the user convenience. Like from to date, you can easily change, analyze a report. Like we have added many things. That's what we are going to see in this video. Okay, first let me take this Ledger, open our software. Yeah, this is the software. Here in the bottom, first let's see from to date selection is very simple. Yeah, like before, if you want to select a financial year of 1 April 2020 to 31st March 2021 means what you will do, like you will type or you will select the calendar here and there, and in the end date you will select some date whichever you want. But this is, you need not to work hard this much. Simply click in the from or to label here, click here. I will point it out here. In the two bars here, just click. You will get whichever the period you want to set for the from to date. Now I set for the last period, last financial year, it is the ninth option. It is in the ninth option, just click it. That's all. See, now the date has changed from 19 to 20. Yeah. And another thing is analyze everything. Yeah. In our report screen, we have added one more menu called analyze. Here, click it and click general. When you click general and click open it, refresh. In a single screen itself, what is your total sales, what is total cash sales and credit sales, total purchase, cash purchase, credit purchase, and your expenses, bank expenses, income, everything will come in a single screen. And what are the stocks has been sold in a particular period, and what are the stocks are bought, that means purchased from your supplier. And if you had put any quotation stock, that also you could see here. And sales stock group wise, like in we have sold many stock, those stock may be in some groups, so particular group wise also you could get how much quantity we have sold, what is the sales value, like the way for purchase also. And come to the end, here every customer name wise how much amount we have billed in this period, above period. And like the way from the supplier also how much we have bought, that also we could get here. And come to the right, so here monthly purchase, every month how much we have bought, and every month how much we have sold, how much we have collected through cash or bank, and how much we have spent, we have expense through cash or bank, how much every month, that also you could get it here. All things are in a single screen, so simply you have to scroll it and you can view all the things. If you want to get it in a HTML format, just click print and click the report. This one is here, a report. Click it. Yeah, see here you can see a colorful report which you could export to PDF for emailing purpose, or you can send it to your WhatsApp recipient and all. See, this one is a very dynamic report. So if you feel is there any missing data you want to show here, just let me know. We can customize this report and you can get whatever you want. You can ask me. So things are very open now. Very new reports can be added in this software. You need not to take for each report, you need not to go for a menu. Simply come here, click refresh and you can take everything and simply print it. I just press Ctrl P, that's all. See, it is showing me option Microsoft Print to PDF. It is a Windows 10 option. In Windows 10 only it will show. So you have to select the printer and print. Then it will ask you for a, yeah, I give a name of dashboard. 2021. Then save. So those file has come to the desktop. Opens the recycle reports. Yeah, see, the file is here. To open this PDF file, you don't need Adobe Acrobat Reader. Simply use your Chrome browser to open any PDF file. So I am using the same. Just double click it and export it from there. Yeah, see, this file you can send to your customer as a attachment, or your owner for a single day transaction summary. You could send them. So these are the facilities. Anything, if you feel anything is missing in this report, just let me know. We could add it. So that is a very easiest thing we can do in this. Okay, and the next one is link to check our YouTube channel. Yeah, we have added a YouTube channel shortcut in our software. Anytime you could verify our new videos, new guides in the YouTube channel. Just click the YouTube in the bottom. So straight away it will open our channel. So in this channel we will always updating latest videos for Sledger software. For a guide purpose or a demo purpose, we will add many videos here. You could check all the status here. And like that, we have added our company own website, Sledger website also. You can check it. Just click that link. Straight away it will open our website. You can check our products and service here. We have many services added now for creating a new company, for software installation, restore backup data. Like we have added many services that also you could take whenever you want. You can refer this website. And the next thing is announcement from Sledger. If we have any announcement to let you know, just we will update it in our software. It will be shown in the right side, important announcements here. It will be shown. It will so this thing you have to read every day. Is there any announcement from Sledger Software Company? You can read it from here. Important announcements. And create new company from old company in a single click. Yeah, you can do it in a single click. Just log out this company and come here. See, in the about tab we have created or modify company. Just click F2 in your keyboard. F2 is here only. The keyboard model. If you are using a laptop, then you have to press the function key in your keyboard. Left side, in the left side control button, there is near thereby a Fn key, that is called function key. Just press it. You could see all the function keys available. Press F2. That's all. So this F2 key will be forwarded here. Screen has been opened. Now the new company creation screen. You can create any companies as a new company, like in Balls and Co. I just want to create a new company. So earlier there was no option to copy the existing company. I'm not meaning about the copy the transaction of the company. No, simply you can copy the address and phone number of the company name. You can copy because for the Balls and Co. it is in the Market Road, West Street, Tuticorin. I just want to create a same company address but different company name. I just want to create. So that is very easy now. Just right click in the Balls and Co. and click a new company name. New company name is Everwin. Okay, Everwin Agency. That's all. Then copy to new company. Yeah. See, now the new company has been created. See, below the Balls and Co. Everwin Agency has been created with the same address of Balls and Co. So this is a very new feature. So as soon as you have created a new company, it will not come to this front screen. For that, what you have to do, just wait for the database cleanup process to be completed. Then log into your old company, wherever the company. Now, for example, I opened the Balls and Co. So here I want to give a permission to the to my username one is here now. Yeah, for this user I want to create a new permission. So I open the screen admin application user and double click the username one in the right side, double click it, and I will tick the Everwin agency also. Let me tick and update this. Yeah, I have added the user rights for that particular user. He can see Everwin agency now on. So let me minimize this. Most of our customers don't know that we could open our software as a multiple instance. Yeah, we can open. Just double click the same shortcut again. It will open a separate copy, separate ledger copy again. Yeah, see, a new ledger has been opened and I click OK. The old copy. Yeah, see, now the Everwin agency has come. Just double click here. After we have logged in the new company, then only we could assign all the counter and application settings to the new company. So as soon as you log in, first log into the new company, then log out. Yes. Again log into the old company, Balls and Co. So from here, I am going to assign all the rights to Everwin agency. So come to admin menu and application settings, and right side to the cancel exit button there is a blank space is here now. Yeah, pink color space it is here. So just right click in your mouse in this space and you could see Everwin agency there and copy settings to above company. What will happen from Balls and Co, all the settings will be copied to Everwin agencies. Do not use this blue color one, this is not applicable to you. I just want to copy the settings from Balls and Co to Everwin agency. So I click copy settings to above company, one the black one. I'm going to click now. Yes. Now the settings has been copied. Like that, I'm going to copy the printer setting, counter printer mapping also. Just click the eighth option and in the right side to the cancel button, there is a empty space is here. Right click here and select your new company, Everwin agency, and select copy settings to above company. That's all. Settings are all copied now. So now your new company will work like a old company, Balls and Co. Okay, that's all. And another thing is, yeah, printer settings, application settings I have shown to you. Change application font appearance. Yeah, this one is a very new feature. Like you can change the appearance of the font. And now you could see our users of before 2019, whoever got the update, and their screen will not be like this. And these screen fonts are so clear now. But our old screen fonts are not good. And we do not have settings to change them also. But now we have a new settings. You could change the application font. Whichever the font you want, you can assign them. So for that, click the A symbol in the bottom. Yes, here, and click that and select change application font. Here you could select which font you want. You can assign them. So I select different font of Franklin Gothic. Click OK. See, now my menu has are all changed. Now open a screen. You could see all the options in a Franklin Gothic. Yeah, see in the history box, it has been changed. Like many screens will be changed to the new font settings. Menus are also changed. Yeah, see, it has been changed to the new font. Like this, we have separate settings for grid and separate settings for a history grid. So we have four kind of settings there. So you change whatever the things you want to change, just change the font name here and change the drop down combo box, change the net amount font, change the GGV header font. Whatever the things you want, you can change them. Simply I change and click OK and open it. See, now the history grid headers has been changed. So these are the things are very nice updates in our Sledger 2021. You can get this update over internet. Before that, get an appointment from us. We will guide you. We can give a new update to all our clients with their consent. Thank you.